could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on
Bye, accommodation. Thank
anybody.
you.
Take it with anybody but you.
Okay. Sorry. So, in one of that, there's two? Is it?
Yes.
Ah, Michelle, there's two inside.
So in this one you can wear just only for
I didn't realize that there's... Ala, gusto ko talaga to.
I-change ko nila akong passport. Expiring.
Gustong gusto ko to siya. Sayang. 20 minutes to ipagawa. Lagi. That's true, so I can use it. Para magamit na ko to. So, hindi ko na chika sa inyo guys. Andito tayo sa Icon Siam kasi ni-return ko yung shoes ko. So, ni-return ko siya guys kasi nag-fitting ako kanina sa suot ko ngayon, sa outfit ko ngayon. Tapos, hindi man masyadong bagay ang sobrang gray. Very gray kasi siya, darker gray. So, sabi ko hala, parang hindi ata tama na ito yung bilhin ko kasi yung mga outfitan ko, especially with this jeans, hindi ba bagay yung dark gray. So, nagpa-swap ako ng shoes and we ended up buying a lot. Tane! Kasi hindi pwede na bababa yung total amount ng bibilihin namin ngayon from the last time. Like 6,300 baht kasi yung shoe. So, dapat either equal to that or above that. So, ayun. Nag-above na tuloy tayo. Dito na naman tayo. Hanap tayo ng makainan guys kasi gutom na. I don't know. Basta lami na ikaon. Yan na yung breakfast natin guys. Hindi, brunch pala. Brunch.
Dagko na ako bang crab.
Pagbuka mo ba? Kung hindi
Kanina ka na. Hindi
naman himili ang breakfast. Alam ko ba ang sarap nito?
Iim na. Kasama kita. So yun na. Bawang, karang naklop. Good man, kami.
Kuya, kain tayo. Katabi namin siya.
กินเนื้อขาไหมเอาไปเลยดูวินนี่อันนี้ก็คืออาทิตย์นี้นะ29อันนี้ก็จะทำงานทีหยุดอีกทีวันที่8
แล้วมีดริงก์ก็อย่าง
กี่วัน
maganda yon. More options dito compared sa other branch. Gusto ko yung malaking version nito pero wala talaga. So, I'm thinking baka ito na lang. May Roy sila dito na chocolate. Ang sarap. Parang Asian man just familiar ka ng taste. Heading to the hotel.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Ang sweet naman nila. May pasampagita talaga. Free drinks and cowl. Here's our accommodation. Ang ganda ng ating accommodation, guys. I'm so excited. Meron pang dito, area where I can edit. Para po sa inyo. I am so happy. And then, yung pool nga, nasa labas lang. It's private. Kami ng dalawa ni Michelle. So, I am so happy. And the view, my God, may view tayo. May city light view tayo dito. And in the morning, let's see kung ano magiging itsura nito. Guys, this is our food. Nag-order tayo ng dinner. Yan. Ang daming rice! Nagkamali kami ng order. Yung may extra rice. And that's Michelle's food. You know what? Michelle is ready to swim, guys. salmon. Tapos meron siya, called this eggplant.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under.
Guys, yung nabili pala natin sa Royce. So, ilagay na natin sa fridge kasi nakalimutan namin. Nasa bag lang ni Michelle. Buti na lang yung temperature is okay lang. Hindi sobrang mainit. Otherwise, melted na sana to. And yeah, Michelle is already enjoying outside. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nagsiswimming na si Madam. Sabi ko, hindi ako magsiswimming ngayon. Hindi. I'm gonna edit today. Trabaho tayo ngayon, guys. Kasi tomorrow is gonna be another day. And tomorrow, konti lang yung gagawin namin bukas, which I love. Kasi gusto ko lang mag-chill. Ay, gati. Gusto ko na wala masyadong ginagawa. So, bukas, so excited. I'll show you kung ano lang ganap dito kay Michelle. Look at this girl, nagmumuni-muni. Ang ganda naman kasi ng view. Saya. Hello everyone! So, insert ko lang ito guys because I've noticed na maraming nagko-comment, especially when I posted about me traveling in 2 countries. Yung mga previous vlog natin talking about yung bakasyon natin. And people are telling me na wag daw masyadong magbakasyon, mag-ipon daw muna, mga ganun-ganun. Marami akong nabasa talaga na comment. Some of them I deleted kasi below the belt na yung mga comments na parang dinidiktahan na ako kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay. So just my thoughts guys, kasi tumatanda na tayo, nagiging tita na tayo. As time goes by kasi, marami ka kasing nare-realize in life. And life is not about just, you know, focusing so much on having like a lot of money. Hindi ganyan. Kasi at the end of the day, you would also realize that life is so short and life is very unpredictable. Hindi mo alam kailan ka kukunin ni Lord, and that's the reality of it. So para sa akin, there has to be a balance of everything na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. I work really hard. Like, you know, travel nurse tayo, diba? I hop from one facility to another doing travel nursing. And travel nursing yung ginagawa ko right now because it pays better than being permanent staff nurse. So, kaya ito yung ginagawa ko. And I have like the flexibility kung kailan ko mag-stop, kailan ako kukuha ng contract. I'm really thinking about not working too hard. In a way, kailangan talaga may break in between. Kailangan talaga may something tayo that will motivate us to work even harder. Nung nasa New Zealand ako, sobrang trabaho ko noon. May bahay ako sa New Zealand. I feel like nagawa ko na yung mga gusto kong gawin. I still have something that I want to do in my life na medyo scary in a way, nakaka-anxious in a way, yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Pero na-realize ko din na I should not think of that as something na that would stop me from traveling and also enjoying life. Nag-iipon po ako. Nag-iipon po ako, huwag kayong mag-alala. Sa mga concern, like genuinely concerned. At sa iba na gusto lang din talagang magdikta as if there's only one way of like doing life. And isa pa guys, tumatanda na tayo. Like, alam ko talaga sa sarili ko na tumatanda na ako. With long walks, sa pagta-travel lang namin, mga longer walks, ay, napapagod niyo yung tita nyo. Anong aantayin mo, mag-40 ka na or mag-50 ka na bago mo i-explore yung world wherein yung body mo naman is matanda na, hindi mo na kayang mag-enjoy sa mga longer walks wherein you can explore even more. So, dapat isipin nyo yan. Kasi, like, right now, like, ang tita nyo kailangan na may liniment, may sinisinghot lagi pag pag nagtra-travel sickness talaga. At this age, yan na yung nafe-feel ko, how much more if I will wait like na mag-40 ako, na mag-50 ako before I travel. So you really have to think about that. Na dapat i-balance yun lang talaga. Ang hirap talaga. You should always put it at the back of your mind na hindi lang puro save, hindi lang puro ipon. Isipin nyo din na mag-enjoy din kayo in between. Just enjoy the in-betweens, kumbaga. So ayun. Ang dami nyong mali-learn talaga when you travel. You learn about yourself, you learn about different aspects of life. Iba yung pamumuhay ng different countries. Ang ganda, ang saya maka-learn ng every little things na o-observe mo sa environment mo. Girl, anong ginagawa mo dyan? So, yun lang naman, guys. Okay. So, yun lang naman, guys, yung gusto kong i-insert dito sa ating vlog na huwag po kayong mag-alala, nag-iipon din naman kami. Hindi naman kami pabaya, chill lang kayo. Just a reminder, kayo din, dapat mag-enjoy din kayo. Hindi lang mandikta. That's it for this vlog. See you on the next one. Bye! Good vibes!